So this is a video just to show you how to manage your data. Now, it's critically important that we manage the data correctly, and I'm going to show you how that's done. So you're on this screen, working through, ring, 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 keeping the most recent at the top so you're not losing your place. Ring, 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 etc., etc. Then let's assume now that you have an outcome. So you've got through to the customer and you want some kind of outcome. What you need to do is select Telesales Action. It could be that you need a different contact. You can't ever get hold of them, can't find number not in service, not eligible, owned by a larger group, not trading, etc. So any from not interested onwards, if you select any of these, it'll automatically be removed out of your data. So you're not going to keep encountering the same number, the same piece of data where you can't find the number, or you can never get hold of them, or they're not eligible, or they're not interested, etc. Again, do not mess with this, but I will illustrate how that's managed here. So we can filter it. So Telesales Action removes any of those pieces of data. So if you want rid of it, mark it off to that degree using this preview feature there. So you work through, click preview there, Telesales Action, and mark the data accordingly depending on the outcome of the call. Another important point to note is if you speak to a customer and there's some degree of interest, they've asked you to send an email, or they've asked you to call next week, or for whatever reason you just want to separate that piece of data because you think there's some merit in pursuing that one particularly, and you want to make sure that you retain ownership of that piece of data, because so you understand, the data gets chopped and changed around between the different telesales. So there's no guarantee that you're going to be seeing data that you're going to hold on to indefinitely, unless, very important, you follow this process. This process enables you to separate the reasonable leads for whatever reason, and we will ensure that you will always keep your own priority callbacks. So to show you how to do that, preview, priority callback date. So for whatever reason you have put them in for a callback on the 9th of December, then ensure to mark it as yourself. Yeah, so that puts you as the owner, which enables us to ensure that that will always get reassigned back to you. And then click save. To do a priority callback, you don't need to alter the Telesales Action. The priority callbacks, your own personal priority callbacks, will then always be accessible through priority callbacks view. And this view will only show you the priority callbacks which are set for today, whatever day that might be. So the filter is set so you'll only see that day's callback. So the example that I showed you previously will show you the priority callback for the 9th, on the 9th of December. That will be visible here within this view. All right, thank you.